One second, everything's normal. The next, it's total destruction. These are the most brutal car crashes ever caught on camera. And trust me, each one gets crazier than the last. From high-speed disasters to unbelievable close calls, you won't believe how some of these drivers made it out alive. Stay tuned, because the final clip might be the most shocking footage we've ever shown. He's edging me. I could have sworn he was going to pull out. Why aren't we yielding to the traffic? He really couldn't wait 2 seconds, huh? Do people forget they have a lane when turning? You can tell he's not thinking about anyone but himself. Oh my God, I'm glad he ended up picking a lane. Could he not feel something off with his car? That was such a clutch save. I don't even think he did anything wrong, just unlucky. What is even going on here? This looks horrible. Well, there is a first time for everything, I guess. Dude just got speared from Prime Goldberg. No way we are running away from cops in that car. They came around the corner like they were in Fast and Furious. You can tell that guy has zero patience. What is the semi doing? Any guesses? Let me know what you think in the comments. One more second, and this could have been much scarier. He's driving like he owns the whole road. Some people need to retake their driving license test. They must have been in the semi's blind spot. When showing off costs you a bunch of money. I will never understand how people do this. This is making me so annoyed with how often I see this. Well then, first person on their phone today. How are we running into things that cannot move? I mean, he definitely is speeding and couldn't react in time. This is how people end up in compilations like this. That was inches away from being disastrous. So we just aren't looking left? Oh man, this guy's completely lost. I can't even explain what they might have been thinking. Can we stop hitting stuff that cannot even move? All that just to be one car ahead. This is why driving calm matters. Ah yes, let me just turn from the far lane. I mean, to be fair, he isn't in a lane. Bad drivers never miss an exit. Another person who refuses to miss their exit? People need to get off their phone. I mean, not much to say besides to drive with caution when it's raining. That was an unlucky surprise to be in the tunnel. He's not in control. His anger is. Please just go down to the next exit. Why do people get so mad when driving? Back-to-back clips of cars not checking their blind spots. Good thing he was paying attention. These car accidents annoy me so much. I don't even know what to say here, just an idiot that shouldn't be driving. Not even an ounce of thought going through their head. Just imagine he was like 50 feet ahead. This one confuses me. I have no clue what they were thinking. I guess they couldn't make up their mind in time. Is that a phone in their hand? It's so far away, it's hard to tell what happened. That's a bad combination of being impatient and not paying attention. People need to think before they do stupid things. I knew they were annoyed after that. This is why you should never panic when driving. Who do you all think is the biggest idiot of the day? Let me know in the comments, as well as if you want to see more. Make sure to like and subscribe.